Hi everyone, so I'm going to be using bolt.new to show you how I can create a Expo app. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a prompt message. I'll say, please create a exercise app where I am able to track when I exercised, and I can edit my profile and see the statistics of my workout over time. And I'll just hit enter there, and I need to sign in with a Google account. There we go, so we can see Bolt is now generating some data for us here, and we can see AI has written a few core features it's going to create. So it's going to do a dashboard with workouts, add, edit, and delete workout sessions, comprehensive profile management, detailed statistics on workout streaks, data persistence using local storage, and responsive design. And hopefully it'll create a calendar. Let me see. Okay. Adds in a calendar. If not, I'm going to ask it to add in a calendar. So here on the right side, you'll see in the center, this is where the actual mobile app will display. And here at the top, you'll see code. If you click on it, you'll see the actual code it's generating. So if I go to main.tsx, app.tsx, let's go into our types. So this is really nice. It's able to set up all the basic code for us. And the utils, workout utils, you can see it's doing all the calculations here, calculating streaks. And workout type count, favorite workout type. Okay, nice. That's actually really nice that it does all this. It uses these different methods, so then it's easier to help you learn what other ways of setting up code is like. And hooks, let's see, use local storage, okay. Yep, to save whatever we're doing currently. Profile, we're going to get the user's name, email, age, height, weight, fitness goal, weekly goal. Perfect. And we'll check the weight to make sure their BMI is okay. That's actually perfect. Everything is all set up for us. It's ready to go. It's just writing all the code for us. Navigation, let's see what's over here. It's going to show us dashboard, add workout, statistics, profile. Okay. Dashboard. Nice. So trending up, total workouts, longest streak, and so on. Add workout. Okay, so we have different workout types. So we give a select option to the users. And duration. Okay. I think I need to just tell it to create a calendar in this app. So let's just wait for this to finish loading. Hopefully it'll work, and then we can at least see it visually first. Alright, so let's see here. Let's change it to mobile view. Okay, so we have a profile. Okay, home. What's this? Add workout. Okay. And that's the statistics. Okay, what I want though is I want a calendar as well to track when I work out, and or just that's enough. Track when I work out. Let's see if that fixes anything. Alright, so it's starting to create the calendar component. Let's take a look at the code. Here, navigation. Okay, so I think it's just redoing the navigation part. And I need to go to components, calendar. Okay. Okay. I want this mobile app to have the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen fixed. I think it's just a little bit strange to have the navigation at the top, so I'm going to make sure this is fixed to the bottom because I think it's more user friendly if it's done that way. So just tell AI to reformat that for us. So we could see here it's been pushed down to the bottom. That's actually better. And it has that add button in the middle, so it's easier to add your workouts. It has that home page. Perfect. It's going to keep track of everything here. And then nice, our little calendar for each month, statistics for all of our goals that we set up, and then our profile. That's actually pretty nice for a mobile app, the first mobile app template. And of course you can go into the code as well. I'll show you how to do that. Let's just wait for this to load. Alright, so let's see. We're going to have to... What we're going to do now is, because we have the basic template set up, we're going to be able to... let's try the actual integration first of the database. So I'm going to be using Supabase to add a database. Let's see if that works. So what I'm going to do is show you how you can export this. At the top here, you can click on download. And I'm going to just download it on my desktop. That's fine. So I have that zip project there. I'm going to unzip it. Okay, and then I'll drag and drop it into Visual Studio. Trust. And let me take a look at this code here. So I have src, components, hooks, types. That's actually great that it has set up everything. So there might be a few issues here and there you might have to look at. But actually it shouldn't be that bad. Let me see here. Cannot find React. Okay. But it seems like there are some issues here. So it seems like the code still has some things that need to be resolved, but overall it has the basic template that you just need to work out and configure, and it has some really good ways of setting up the code that can be used to help inspire you to code. But if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully this is helpful in your next coding project, so it helps save you time on all these little details, and then you just need to do small little modifications.